Welcome. This video is intended to show you how to set up a market in Pat's trading room. First, we are going to use ESU20 as an example. So you subscribe to the market in Bluewater Trader. You see it in the symbol manager on the right hand side. You right click on the symbol, you go down to chart, to target trading, to Pat Algo. It's going to open up a default algo chart, in this case for the ES. Default's a 987 tick. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to right click on the symbol again. You're going to go to chart. You're going to go down to target trading. You're going to select Pat market profile. It's going to open up a default market profile. Now on the algo chart on the right hand side, you don't have to change anything. Everything is set as it should. If you need to change the size of the tick bar from tick 987 to something else, you right click on your chart. You go to chart properties. You change this number right there to whatever tick number you want, and you click OK. And that's going to set the tick bar accordingly. The next thing you need to do in the market profile is to set the start date. Right click, go to chart properties, go down to your start date and set the start time. Drop it down. In this case I'm going to set the start time to August 14, just for the heck of it. It's going to be the start of the expiration. Left click on 14, click on the start time again so that the drop down disappears, and now you have it. Then you click OK. The last thing you're going to do is to aggregate the profile. You're going to right click on your chart. You're going to go to chart studies. You're going to go expand, click on market profile. You're going to go to market profile parameters, click on the arrow to expand it. Then you're going to set the ticks to aggregate. Default is 10 ticks. If you want 12 ticks, that would be 3 points. So this is a tick setting, number of ticks, 4 ticks per point in the ES. So 12 would represent 3 points. Then you click OK. The last thing you do is rebuild your chart, and there you have it. So the next thing you want to do is to learn how to split and unsplit this. You right click on it, on the chart, you go to market profile, and then you can set your daily splits, or you can remove all splits, or you can set a single split. It removes all split except for the last one. I don't have one right now because you're rolling into a new session, but that's how you split and default unsplit it. So right click, go to market profile, set your daily splits, and there you go. The last thing you might want to do is to change the background colors. In order to change the background colors on the chart, you're going to have to right click on your chart, go to chart properties, you're going to select the view 0, you're going to scroll down until you see the background. It's white, drop it down, change it to red if you want red, click OK, and there you go. So that's how you can set up the default chart for Pat's trading room for any market. The last thing to do is to show you how to draw on these charts. You right click on the chart, market profile chart, you go down to drawings, you go up and show your drawing tools. Now you're going to be using a background, in this case a green background is a default, but you want to make sure you have background checked. If you want to use global, in other words you want the drawing to show up on all the charts, you have to check is global. And then you have the default, either you draw it as a price range, in which case you're going to be using it in the trading bot, or if you're just going to draw it for the heck of drawing a drawing or getting a background drawing done, you select undefined and then you select the drawing tool. It is this equal sign up here which allows you to draw ranges. The next thing you do is to draw your range. And as you can see, as you go in on the left hand side, they start showing up. There you go, there you have your ranges. That's how you draw ranges on the profile. Thank you for watching.